Nation and identity in the country, the Shona people were finally accorded citizenship in a day that the country marked its 57th Jamhuri celebrations. The moment came as a delight for the thousands of Shonas who have, for decades, relentlessly cried foul for being discriminated in their own country. David Mudhoka reports.
We are according citizenship to 1,670 members of the Shona community.
It is a statement that meant the world to the 20 members of the Shona tribe who had been invited to this year's Jamhuri Day celebrations at the newly refurbished Nyayo National Stadium. The statement affirming that the Shona community is now the latest and 45th Kenyan tribe and ending decades of a rigorous push for recognition of the Shonas by the Kenyan government. It was also reprieve for more than 1,000 people of Rwandi's origin who, just like the Shonas, were accorded Kenyan identities.
We have 20 citizens now representing those communities to be conferred citizenship by Your Excellency, the President.
According to the Shonas, their fight for status ever since they set foot in the country from Zimbabwe more than 5 decades ago has eventually bore fruit.
Tunamshukuru Rais wetu Uhuru Kenyatta kwa hilo jambo la muhimu alilotufanyia. Ametujengea maisha. Kuanzia leo tutajaribu kujimudu kama Wakenya wengine, kujaribu kuinua taifa hili kwa vyovyote vile.
Inakuwa kama ndoto. Ile mambo ilitendeka siku ya leo inafanana na vile watoto wana wa Israeli walikuwa wa Misri.
Coincidentally, the reprieve for Shonas comes barely a year after a Shona girl became the first stateless girl to join university in the country. Meanwhile, the event saw up to 11 Kenyans fitted for being in the front line in a year that the country has been ravaged by the COVID-19 pandemic. The awarded Kenyans include Chief of the Defense Forces General Robert Kibochi, Director of Public Health Dr. Kefa Ombacho, Head of Infectious Disease Unit at the Kenyatta National Hospital Dr. Lois Ombajo, Veteran Athlete Catherine Dereba, Head of Isolation COVID-19 Wards at the Kenyatta National Hospital Dr. Alice Mwaura, as well as Dr. Mamo Omuro, who is the chair of National Influenza Center.
I'm excited and I'm so grateful to God and also to our head of state. I feel honored because most of my team members, that is the nurses, the doctors, the housekeeping team, the lab people and the psychologists, we really worked as a team.
The day is definitely set to be one for the books, not only for the fitted Kenyans, but also for the new kids on the block, the Shona community. In a day that for the past 57 years, Kenya has celebrated attaining its republic status, the Shona people coincidentally attained their much-deserved citizenship after decades of struggle. David Mudhoka, TV 47 at the Nyayo National Stadium, Nairobi.